In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Gmail. This quick 5-minute guide will walk you through the steps to seamlessly connect your Trello boards with your Gmail account, enhancing your productivity and streamlining your workflow. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate over to Trello, which is the foundation of our integration. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You can choose your preferred method of logging in, whether that's with an email account, a Google account, or something else. It's entirely up to you and how you generally access Trello. Now that you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Trello dashboard. We're focusing on a specific board for this integration, so go ahead and select the board you wish to integrate with Gmail. This could be a board you use often, one that manages your tasks, or even a collaborative project board. With your board open, look towards the top of the page for the Power-Ups menu. Power-Ups are fantastic features in Trello that allow additional functionality, often connecting with other services. Click on Power-Ups to explore these options. It will take you to a menu where you can enhance your Trello experience by unlocking additional features. In the Power-Ups menu, there's a search bar you can use to find specific tools. Type in Gmail to locate the Gmail Power-Up. Once you've found the Gmail option, you'll want to enable it by clicking on Add or Enable. Then, proceed to click on Configure to get everything set up. As you configure this Power-Up, you'll need to grant the necessary permissions. Don't worry, this is just a standard part of any integration process. Follow the prompts on your screen, which will guide you through granting access to your Gmail account. These steps ensure that Trello can interact with your Gmail in a secure way. Once you've successfully gone through the permission process, the integration is almost complete. Now, head over to your Gmail account. After logging in, take a look at your right sidebar to see if a new Trello icon has appeared. This icon represents your newly integrated Trello functionality and indicates that everything has been set up correctly. There you have it. Trello and Gmail working together to keep you organized, effective, and on top of all your tasks. This integration means you can easily create Trello cards from your emails and manage them directly from Gmail, which is a big game changer for staying on top of your workload. With your newfound tool in place, exploring ways to optimize your task management is just the beginning. Thanks for following along and enjoy your new streamlined setup.